Hey guys, welcome back to Jitok Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and today is day 10 of season 1 in server 773 and related servers. So I'm gonna tell you about season 1 hero level swap. So you can go to the season 1 here and just go to exp in bottom corner. Click on this, and as you can see, there is a level swap event going on, which will be up to 41 days and 13 hours. So as you click on I button, you'll get the instruction about the event. That is, after the event start, level of any two heroes can be swapped. Okay, swapping levels may lock skills in unlocked by the level. Increasing hero level can restore skill levels. So you can swap the two heroes. In here you can see I got some exp tickets. You also check your inventory for that. If you found this, you can swap one for one ticket. So I'm gonna show you how to swap. Go to exp, then click to select a hero in here first. So choose the hero you want to swap levels with. So right now, for example, I'm gonna go for Williams, and I'll go with Scarlet. So I'm gonna give the level 81 88 to Williams from Scarlet. So now I have selected two. You can see we got both the heroes in here. And now if you have the tickets, exp ticket, then just click on the confirm button, and boom guys, you can see our Williams got the level 88 from Scarlet, and Scarlet got demoted to 71, which was Williams level. And as also you can see, his all attributes are also increased and Scarlet's attributes are decreased. Okay, so you can swap as many as heroes if you have those tickets. Okay, so now we'll go to the hero section, and you can see we have totally, don't worry, I'm here for you, got the hero levels up in here, and all the attributes are also increased, or you can say reset. And time to make a in big here move. She got demoted, but you can promote her after leveling up her. So this is a pretty cool event in here, which is about 41 days. So you can swap heroes if you have those exp tickets. So it's very useful. You can use it for upgrade your ur heroes. So that's it for today guys. You can use it wisely, and if you find this content useful, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.